This 2024 Renegade Vienna 25VFWC is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features LP detector, skylight, stovetop burner, water heater, smoke detector, awning, TV antenna, microwave, leveling jacks, refrigerator, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.